mainframe.
What the KGB does to double agents? Yep. Da. If they win this season, it's almost worth facing the fighting squad. Hey, I've only 1 hour of fuel, so after that, you find yourself a new ride.
Come on, let's get moving, Mason.
That's our inside man.
Don't let the smell of cheap vodka and caviar throw you. Belikov is the real deal. He knows where all the bodies are buried. Hell, he buried half of them. Heads up. Scouts on the ridgeline. Do it all quiet-like?
Yeah, you're the expert in quiet.
Hey, I'm a complicated man. Good kill. Not bad. Let's keep moving. Good kill. Shit, this looks dicey. But hey, if it's good enough, the Reds. You go first. Enemy contact!
I hope this holds.
Piece of cake. That's the old SATCOM building. Looks like it's hanging by a thread. Let's keep moving. Good kill. See any more? They got snipers. Don't let them spot you. Stay low. Keep out of sight. Hey! Sniper down. Nice shot. I think we're in the clear.
Damn. Look at this place.
I think they said they're prepping the mainframe for extraction with the crane. We find the crane, we find the mainframe. Ugh, Soviet engineering at its worst. I'm moving! That's the Doomsday bunker. We're getting close to the main street. We'll cross on that cable. Red's on the helipad. Better take him out before we cross. Age before beauty.
Lost my damn gun. You're going first next time. I see a tunnel down here. You'll have to find another way inside.
Copy that. Station.
Woods. Great. Damn, it's cold in here. Huh. Crossbow bolt.
Это место было заброшено после схода лавины. Но я слышал, что при раскопках были найдены тела с пулевыми ранениями.
Ты что?
Что это было? Они обладают...
Mason, do you read me? Mason, do you read me?
Yeah, I read you. You gotta be close.
Over here. The ruckus you made, I'm surprised the entire Soviet Union ain't up our ass.
You been busy?
That's what they pay me for. In here, Chief. You see any dig sites? If I'm reading this map right, swing a few degrees to your left, more north. You ask me, they're here for more than just the mainframe. Steiner was working on all sorts of crazy shit. That Nova 6 business was just the tip of the iceberg. There,
Have you found
what's
the
that?
mainframe?
There's a big crane on the west side of the base. Have your winch ready.
Excuse me? My winch?
Sorry, you're breaking up.
Посторонний!
Belikov, get down. We get air support.
They don't call it a gunship for nothing. Looks like your 4th of July, huh? You're welcome.
Basic, we gotta get down there now. Keep moving. Watch the rooftop. Turret, 12 o'clock. Shit, find cover. Find cover, that turret will tear you up. Gotta reload. I'm moving. Move it. Nice work. Move it. Head to cover. Hostiles on the zip line.
thing better hold this time.
Woods, I am over the extraction site. Are you ready?
We see you, Dimitri. Let's go, Mason! Mason, we gotta get down there now!
Is the mainframe big? Because if it's too big, we can't lift off.
Mason, we gotta get down there now! No! It's regular size! They're breaking cover! Keep moving! Pick up the beat, Mason! We gotta get to that mainframe. Dimitri, we're in position. Lower the blitz.
Loading!
We're locked in, Dimitri. Take us up.
Line up!
Whoa! Shit! Careful up there!
This place is most uncooperative.
Come on! Pick up the pace, Belikov!
Everyone,
Slow down! Slow down!
speed up, cool down. Blin, I'll handle the flying. You handle the shooting, okay?
We're clear, Dimitri! Take us home!
Hudson,
We finished analyzing that mainframe that Mason Woods brought from Yamato.
and?
Perseus was looking for the names of sleeper agents Dragovich used in '68.
Give us those names. We'll get Adler's team to track them down.
Perseus erased them.
Fuck me.
There's only one place you're gonna find that information now. The Lubyanka building.
What? KGB headquarters? Why didn't Perseus get them there himself?
I don't know. Maybe he's operating without authorization.
I'll let Adler know. But we're gonna do this the right way. We're not gonna do it at all.
Just got word. Belikov is back in Moscow.
You guys know the plan. Bell, you're with me. Lazar, be ready for exfil.
Are you taking them into the KGB with you?
Are you crazy?
Wait for Mason or Woods to return.
I don't need Mason or Woods. I need Bell. They've got the skill we need.
Are you enjoying this? You're risking the entire operation unnecessarily.
It's not unnecessary. It's calculated.
Just understand that if you botch this, we can't get those names. It's over.
I know you can do this. Hudson doesn't trust anyone he can't control.
new and larger came in.
The Lubyanka building, KGB headquarters in Moscow. The sleeper agent records are stored in the archives 100 feet below ground in a nuclear defense command bunker.
Your only way in or out is through this high-security elevator.
We'll need proper credentials. That's where our asset Belikov comes into play. Belikov has been our source inside the KGB for nearly a decade. He'll get us in. He came through for us in Yamantau. He'll do it again.
This shit is crazy, even by his standards. You sure he's on board?
An immediate nuclear threat warrants every risk at this point. I'm sure he wouldn't disagree. Sims, get Belikov on the line.